On the road again. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. On the road with Tad today. We're taking a little road trip. Let's see if you guys can see. See that extra tire back there? We got the trailer hooked up in the old Odyssey minivan. And let me just see. Oh, what's this, guys? Right here. Let's just see. I think we're going to come across this bridge and something cool is going to be right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got some big signs. We're somewhere for sure. Oh, what is that? Is that the Kansas City Royal Stadium? Oh, and the Chiefs. We're in Kansas City, guys. I think you might know where we're going. I found something for sale in Kansas City. We wanted to come take a peek. We're gonna. Tad's interested too. He likes old Hondas a lot. As you guys see, he likes tattoos too. He's got a couple. He likes to put them on too. He doesn't like to just wear them. He likes to install them. He's pretty good at poking them in. More to come, guys. Here we go. On the road.
Say they wanna party with the crew. Okay. I just got a telly with a view. Okay. Tell me what you really wanna do. Okay. All your friends bad. I don't wanna choose some.
And here we are, guys, at the Quick Trip, filling up the van. Oh, look what we got back here. We got two, guys. Not one. We got two. The guy didn't tell me. He didn't tell me what all he had. He had a bunch of stuff. I kind of wish I would have had more money, really. 78 Super Sport F model, guys. Black engine. Oh, this is gonna be one amazing motorcycle when I get it finished. Tad wanted this one. It's a 76, guys. 750. It's all here. It's got the big disc brake on the rear. It's got the big single disc on the front. This one has the dual disc. It's badass. But up here, I'll show you. Oop. Let's see if I can get the door open here. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. There we go. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. This is the tank for the other one, guys. It's a Super Sport also. A yellow Super Sport. Let me just slide this back in here and I'll show you. Here, there we go. Shut the door there. I'm gonna run a quick trip to get a snack here. Oh, he's having some fun on a Honda. Show you guys what we got back here. This is the seat for it, guys. Look at that. It is awesome. Got a little tear. We probably get a new cover for it. It's gonna be sweet. And got a 4-into-1 pipe too. That goes on this one. So it's gonna be the yellow Super Sport with the 4-into-1 pipe. I can't wait, guys. Tad is looking forward to getting on it already. We're already planning, getting a parts list written up in the car. Oh, here we go, guys. I can't wait. Yeah. And of course, back here too, we did get a bunch of parts. He had a bunch of parts for everything. I kind of scrounged through, dug up what I could. That's foot controls for a chopper. Can't wait. There's a set of carbs too. Bunch of good stuff. Yeah. Digging through my wire box, we found some goodies. We got some brake clean. Got us a switch on here. We ain't got no key yet, but we got a switch. And we got a jump pack. Let's see what happens, guys. Turn some power on. Power's on. Turn our switch on. Oh, we got power. Oh, it cranks. Here we go, guys. Oh, nothing yet. Is it gonna go? Okay, here we go, guys. I've been out here messing around for a while trying to figure out this thing. I got a little switch on here so I can turn it on. I wasn't getting power up here to my coils, I think. We're going to try and fire it up with a little bit of juice again. See, we're going to crank it with some juice, see if it fires up. Let's see. Oh, let's hope it makes some noise. I just want to hear something. We got some juice here. Oh. It runs! Yes! Oh. Yes, guys. This is going to be one awesome machine as soon as I get everything finished up here. It runs, it makes oil pressure. Everything's good. This bike has 21,000 miles. This 78F model, 1978. This is a 1977. Guy I purchased these two from today. He went through this one a little bit. He said this engine's good to go, and he was thinking this one was good to go too, but he never heard either run. He just ran. That was only a couple cylinders on some carb cleaner, but it ran, guys. Tap came on. Okay, looking good over here, guys. This is gonna be a ripper. I put my other tank on here too. I had an extra tank down here because this one right here, it's not looking good. The other side is rusted really bad. So I have this one, and I actually have another one. So this one, it looks like it maybe doesn't fit. It's not. I'm not sure exactly what model this one's for, but it's really close. So I may have to make some mounts. But he also gave me this. 2 boxes, complete boxes of Honda parts. That's all original Honda stuff. I'm not sure even what this chain guard's for, because this one, I think the chrome chain guard right there is for this one. Extra wiring harnesses and headlights. Yeah, there's an extra battery box for something. And this, I think right here, that's the air box that goes in here. This is a factory air box for an F model. That's pretty sweet. Those are hard to find. This big air cleaner sits up here. Then that goes on the top. Check that out, guys. That's actually really sweet. Oh, and then here, I got other pipes. I got other goodies. I got other gauges. I got more headlights, more blinkers. Not sure what that's even for, but that's pretty sweet. It's pretty awesome, actually. And I think, yeah, there's the tack to match it. Oh, guys, I'm in heaven. Yep. Okay, over here. And of course, over here, we have the exact same set of carburetors that I built right there. Those carbs are the exact same as these. So we're going to get all these. Of course, they're way dirty. They've been sitting around for a minute. We're going to take them up to Cycle House to Jerry, get them all cleaned up in the wash tank, and pull them all apart, get some new seals in down here. New accelerator pump, because these also have the accelerator pumps. Oh, here we go, guys. Let's go. Okay. Lights are on, guys. It came right on. Had no headlight. Let's see if the high beam does anything. Oh, it's on high. Yeah, that headlight probably hasn't worked in a long time. Alright, yeah, it's... Huh? Horn works? Alright. Oh, yeah, it cranks! Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. Turn the pack off here. Alright. We are good to go, guys. For the money we paid for both these bikes. Amazing deal. Wow. I put the other stuff up here. Check this out. That's the tank and the seat combo for the 76. This is going to be a sweet looking bike. I've never seen a yellow model. Yellow with a blue pinstripe with the gold label that says Super Sport. And it's all factory, guys. That's not been redone. I can tell from the, You know, inside there, that's all from 1976 original. I just looked online. It's legit. This is a cool ass bike. That one is amazing. The F model. This K model. It's a 575. 1976. Was made in 5 of 1975. But it's labeled as a 1976 model with this beautiful yellow. It's a smoking hot blonde. Oh my goodness, guys. We get this one all finished up. We get this one finished up. We get the new motor in Sochiro. We get Tad's bike fixed up. Shop's looking like it usually does. I love it when the shop looks like this. We got bikes. We got bikes. We got bikes. We got some more bikes. I'm happy. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this may be some crazy BS to a lot of people, but I have a lot of fun here, and I feel like a lot of you guys have fun watching this stuff too. Like, share, subscribe, share it out there with the world. Time to go fast, guys, on a smoking hot Honda. Let's go. Yeah.